Let's do this. Oh! Okay, not bad. Fuck it, let's get 2 keys and gamble this shit. Alright, I spot 2 keys. We're looking for this symbol. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Or one of the red symbols. Purple's not bad either. Let's go, baby. No. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. Let's go. No. I might be addicted to gambling. I might be really addicted to gambling. Run it down. Oh. Alright, I have $8 left in my Steam wallet. I can pick 3 more cases. So I'm gonna hit this right now. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Next box might be the right one. Alright, this is second to last one. We're doing it, baby. 3, 2, 1. I just want to hit a purple something special. Oh my god! Oh my god! We did it! We got the Karambit! Oh my god, this is my first knife I've ever pulled! Yo, that is amazing. What? I can't believe we got the knife. That's crazy. Let's find out how much this is worth. Sell on the community market. Oh my god, this fucking knife is worth $1,500. Holy shit. No way. This knife is worth $1,500? That's crazy. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so crazy. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. I pulled this knife. Vincent. I pulled a Karambit on stream. $1,500 knife.
You got a fucking Karambit?
Dude, come in. Vincent, I'm on stream. You
pulled a Karambit Doppler?
I put it on stream, bro. This is
No
a
fucking
1,500. Oh my
Holy
god.
fuck. I'm surprised I didn't hear you through my headphones. I would have been fucking
I didn't know what this was.
Oh, I haven't played it forever. I still remember what this is.
Holy shit, dude.
Oh my god. Well, I'm third, but I can't take that long. But that is crazy.
That is crazy.
This is a sick ass looking knife, dude.
Wow. What a great night.